Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends and welcome to our YouTube channel TubeCore, and we are going to review another product from Warrior Plus, which is called Crazy Coupon Cash. crazycouponcash.com. Okay, and this product is from the creator Daud Islam with his team, and at the top it says, want to earn commissions like a pro, unlock the crazy power of coupons today. So this time, luckily, people are trying to change their tactics, how to build their sales page, because normally every website claims right at the top that buy the system and you will make this kind of money or this amount of money. So now, because we have been reviewing, telling truth about Warrior Plus make money online scams, now people are changing their website slightly. The theory and the heading is being changed. So it's good. It's good in a way, because now you need to tell people, your audience, what exactly this product is going to do for you, instead of telling them that you will get rich and you will get millionaire and you will earn a lot. Okay, so now the concept of this product is that unlock the crazy power of coupons today. So it's like on your sales page you will need to offer some coupon codes. So if a visitor is trying to shop around your sales page, if he's on your website and he is not convinced and he is trying to leave your website, so at that time you will show a pop-up message that just go ahead and we will give you a 5% discount, and that way he might think twice before leaving your website. So this is the trick. So he has launched a training product. So in the dashboard, once you buy this product, in the dashboard you will get some training, how to use coupons, how to generate coupons, how to find coupons, how to put them on your website sales pages, and how to leverage the coupon thing on your website, and how to get more conversions, right? So that's what this product is about. Technically, it's not a money-making product. I'm clarifying this to you on behalf of anybody. So if they are not clarifying this to you, I'm clarifying this to you, that don't consider any product a money-making product, because this is only a tutorial. This is only a like a teaching product. So they will teach you, they'll give you the videos inside, they'll give you the information inside, and it's up to you to build those sales pages. So if you have to create a product, it's your cost, it's your time, it's your knowledge. So you will have to launch your own products or your own website in order to make money, because as long you are an affiliate, you will not make money, or you will make maybe very less. So in order to get extra money, in order to succeed like a pro, you will need to launch your own products on Warrior Plus or on some other platforms, because until and unless you are not a vendor on Warrior Plus, until and unless your product is not being sold by other affiliates, you will not earn money. Okay, so that's what this product is doing right now. So as soon you buy this product, the creator of this product is going to make some money. Okay, and we will see that in the demo here. So let's scroll down and go through the demo of this product. So it's not much, it's just a training module. So let's try to play this for you and maximize. So on the top left you can see it's a welcome video. So you'll play the video, you will hear the owner of the product, Daud Islam, talking. And then on the left side you got overview, you got main training section, you got resources. So you can also join their Facebook group. You can join their community to get help if you will need any help. Otherwise there will be some tutorials inside the dashboard. So again, this is an information product only. It's not a get to rich scheme. It's not like a software where you put in your website link and you start making some dollars. There's no such thing in the world anyway. So this is a video tutorial only. And if you go ahead and take a look to, this is the dashboard of his of his Warrior Plus account. Now let's focus here. Let's notice that see, as a vendor, so this is a vendor, this is a vendor dashboard, this is an affiliate dashboard. So you can see the difference here. As an affiliate, he is making only few sales, only small amounts, but as a vendor, he's launching his own products, and then he's making money. So this is my point. If you are trying to make some money by promoting other people's product, you will never get rich, because you will only get rich if you launch your own products on Warrior Plus or on Zavizu or on some other websites. Because until and unless people are not selling your product, you have to be a producer, you don't have to be a consumer. So if you keep consuming, you will keep losing your money. So if you want to earn money, start launching your own products on Warrior Plus. And for that, sometimes you will have to launch scam products as well, because on Warrior Plus and other sites, scam products makes more money than any legit product. So I'm not saying that just go ahead and start promoting scam products, but it's just the way it works, because there are a lot of people who are not aware of how these things works on the internet. So they keep losing money, they keep investing money in the hope that they will buy something which will generate money for them, and that's not the truth of. Now here we are back into the dashboard. This is the overview of Crazy Coupon Cash. So they will give you these video trainings. This is all training. This is nothing nothing like automated here. So all you get inside this product or inside the dashboard is only videos. Okay, so these are the only video training, step by step. You need to follow them, and then if you can apply that to your sales page means that you need to have your own product to launch, or you need to have your own website for e-commerce or for something else. So until and unless you are not a website owner, where will you put those coupons? So either you do affiliate marketing and offer those coupons for somebody else's product, or you do it for yourself, and then only you can make some profit. So again, the profit is in your hands, or let's say the hard work is in your hands. So you will have to do the hard work. You'll have to do a lot of hard work, no matter which technique you use, no matter if you offer coupons or not, no matter if you offer them discounts or not. You have to bring traffic. Traffic is your responsibility. So this product is only going to give you some video tutorials how to use coupons to increase conversions on your website. Apart from that, there's no use of this software or whatever this thing is called. Okay, so that's the reason I think the price is also not very high. This is an informational product, and again, do not get attracted with these statistics here, because this data which you see, this is for him. This is his Warrior Plus account, because he has been launching various products on Warrior Plus. This number is not going to be repeated for you. Even you can't even make $350 if you promote this product. So do not get lucrative and do not get confused with this number, or do not get attracted by seeing these numbers, because these numbers will not be in your account until and unless you create something unique, a product which you launch on Warrior Plus, and then you make sales while sleeping. So it's not for everybody. It's only for those people who are there to launch their own products. And that's why I think this product is only cost somewhere around, let me check the price. So this product is costing somewhere around 13 bucks, and out of 13, 6.48 will go to affiliates who will sell or promote these products. Okay, so this is all you need to know about this product. This is an informative product, video tutorial. So once you get into the dashboard inside, you will just watch some videos, and then probably if you want, you can use it to implement coupons on your website. That's all about it, and there's nothing fancy, there's nothing technical here. It's quite simple. You pay the charge, you grab the software, you grab the dashboard. Inside the dashboard, you just watch the videos. That's all. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel, do subscribe to our email list. The links are in the description, and we'll come back with another review video shortly.